Continuing in my testing of these X series and well all receivers really, I've now got two X8Rs not connected in any way to each other. I just wanted to see if by any chance running side by side there was some peculiarity of the interference locking out both in one go or not, as the case may be. Anyway, they're both set up, they're both bound to the transmitter on the same plane in effect. So a bit of like redundancy receivers, but they are separate, they're not connected to each other. So I'm going to try the interference. I've got a new ignition tester here, courtesy of Morris Mini Motors, just because it's a little bit more robust than the other one I had before. So following exactly the same procedure. So I've got the plug arcing. That's locked that receiver out immediately. Interestingly enough, I'm doing exactly the same with this one. This seems to be more resilient to the interference for some reason. I'm getting interference, there's no question about that. There is interference, and that's now locked out temporarily but came back again. No, that's now gone.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
But recovered. Interesting that that one recovers,
Telemetry lost.
but now it's locked out. So that one was more resilient, which was strange because they're both the same receivers. They've both got the same build in terms of the firmware on them, the latest firmware. So why one should behave differently? The only thing that's different is I've got these different antennae on them. So that may be the next test to do, is to change the antennae. So I'll do that in a moment.